General Muhoozi Kanarugaba. I hear you want a country-wide protest against the Member of Parliament of Uganda on the 10th February. You said the Member of Parliament, they are very corrupt. Don't divert the accusation which is on you. First, go to the Parliament because you are being accused. You are being summoned to appear before the Member of Parliament before beginning your things of protest and so on. The issues of corruption is not the Member of Parliament. It is you and your father, the President of the Republic of this country, who have brought all this. And it has gone out of your hands because you don't know the solution to the corruption. Every people you put to investigate corruption are also corrupt. So the issue is not who is corrupt. The issue is you need to fight the corruption mine, or which your government has failed to do it. Now you want to confiscate us. You want to come and confuse us. You said, oh, these people are like this, where we are going for a countrywide protest. Nonsense. Don't divert us. You said you have power. There's nothing which can now can defeat you people. Why are you running and coming back to us that we should go for protest? Bring your money, we eat, because you have no use of your money. And I beg the citizen that whenever that money comes, please enjoy the money. Enjoy that money. We are going to get the money. Lifting of the term limit, it was your father. NRM caucus is your father. Giving money, everything. So now you are trying now to bring your nonsense to us. You think you think we don't know what we don't know your styles. Corruption. You don't go for protest. Go and address it with your father, the president of this country. It is you people who are corrupt. You brought even a corruption mine in this country. You have spoiled everybody in this country. Because people, you wanted your interest to be fulfilled. Now, you're being summoned to appear before the Member of Parliament. You are trying now to divert the people's attention and the accusation on you by saying, we want a protest on the 10th February. Countrywide protest. Nonsense. Nonsense. Please address the issues of corruption with your father. If it is going out of your hand, both of you should surrender. Yeah? Should surrender and leave our power. Because now you're doing what you don't know. You have no solution to the problem of corruption in this country. Your father also made mention it very, very, very long time ago that if people don't get rich under his regime, no one is going to get rich. You are promoting corruption. Don't disturb us. Bring your money, we eat. People get their money, you eat. There's no problem. We are not stupid.